Welcome to today's class on how to generate AI videos in a simple step-by-step guide. Okay, today I'll be showing you how you can generate AI videos in different languages. All you need to just subscribe to my channel, make sure you turn on notifications for more updates like this. Now let's go. So here you can create AI video in different language. Okay, you can create in Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Biu, Efik, Calabar, Kanuri, whichever language you know you can speak of. It's very simple. So all you need is, this is the prompt to use here. So what you do is that you come to this prompt, like this one now is Hausa entirely, so I'm going to go for an Igbo language. So let's edit the script here, because this whole script you have to edit it, not really much work here to do. So here you come here and you say Nigerian Igbo. Okay, we are going for a female clothing brand. That's my own choice. Okay, Igbo. Anyway, you see language that is not yours, you can change it entirely. So you come here, you support Igbo. Okay, you scroll down. Here you say, using the uploaded reference image, create a realistic portrait of me as the owner of a luxury traditional Igbo, or you can say traditional Igbo clothing boutique. If you don't want to use traditional, you can just say normal luxury clothing boutique. That's of your choice. So here we are not editing anything here. Okay, we'll come here, dress me in a beautiful premium abaya. So this abaya, we're not going to use it, you know, my own is Igbo now. We'll change it premium traditional, wears with a matching elegant hijab. This is for Hausa. Elegant up or elegant gown, elegant Igbo gown. I should be standing completely, blah blah blah. Okay, the boutique should contain neatly displayed traditional clothes. We have polo, right? These shirts, trousers, dresses, and the modest fashion item arrange normal. That one is normal. So here we change this. The background of that place should be, for me, these are I want it, Coach WithCindy. And then I think that is all here. So we are done here. So what we do is just send it. After sending, this is what to tell you. Okay, so now you've had your dialogue here, which to bring up for you, which is going to say on the video. So after this, now you will not add your reference image like I said here. Absolutely, please upload the reference photo if you want to use for the portrait. You just add your reference photo, and then I've already generated my reference photo which I want to use. So I'll now copy this now and go to Google Flow. Here in Google Flow, you just click new. How to use it? You click new, then put in this. This is the image I selected. You wait, let it load, and then for here I'm using Omni Flash. Take it to 10 seconds. You wait. If you have anything to edit on the dialogue, as for me, although I'm Igbo, but I'm not really good at changing most of these things, so I'm going to leave it this way. And then after it loads, the next thing is to send it, and then it gives you exactly what you want. So here it's ready to load. Now let's send it. So here we are.
Ụmụnne m, ọ bụ na ị na-achọ uwe Igbo mara mma bịa ebe anyị nọ. Anyị nwere siri gown na uwe elu dị iche iche. Anyị na-eme ka ị dị ka ezigbo nwaanyị Igbo. Bịa họrọ nke gị taa.